guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay pag-uusapan naman natin si PESA-BUFFET Fast Cash Loan. Yun guys, ang pag-uusapan natin. And before we go on, before ka mag-install ng application na ito, I keep on watching kasi i-share ko sa inyo kung magkano ang interest o magkano or ilang days ang pwede nating bayaran ang loan na ito. So, keep on watching and mag-subscribe na rin and hit ang bell button para ma-update ka sa mga upcoming videos and tutorials. Alright, so yun na nga at pag-usapan natin si PESA-BUFFET Fast Cash Loan. Alright? So may mga nagtatanong or may mga nababasa ako guys na legit ba sila. So in this video ay makikita nyo kung paano yung process, gaano kadami yung or gaano kalaki yung interest, gaano kababa yung interest. Yun guys, so masasagot sa mga video ito. Okay? So sabi dito is interest for new user is 0. So, ilalagay ko dito yung screenshot siguro, yan. So, 0% interest daw sa new user. Okay, so sabi dito is loan amount 2,000 pesos up to 10,000 pesos. Loan terms is 180 days. Shortest or including renewal, 365 days. For longest including renewal, and annual interest 10% and 0% for new user. New user, okay. And other fees. There will be no other fees, okay? No other fees. Absolutely no hidden charges, okay? We will deduct your loan amount with one-time service of 10% upon disbursement. The service fee will be solely or depend on your profile evaluation. Alright, so yun guys, ang kanilang introduction ng kanilang application. Okay, so let's move. So, download natin yun guys, install, and sabi dito, access photos, media, files on your device. So, allow lang natin kasi hindi tayo mag-proceed kung hindi po natin ina-allow. And then, of course, meron silang dear user, okay, na i-ask nila kung i-access nila ang ating contacts, phone information, and etc. So, wala tayong magagawa kundi tap lang natin yung box and then okay. Yan. And then even pala yung ating SMS and locations. Okay, ang dami nilang eme. So, yun, tap lang natin yun guys and accept lang natin. So, sabi dito, log in with your phone number. So, yung phone number na active, guys. Kasi magsesend po sila ng OTP na isasend nila sa ating phone and then, of course, ilalagin natin dito. And after po na mag-login tayo or maglagay tayo ng phone number is yung face identification na agad-agad. Okay, so magpipicture, selfie, ganun. And then, ma-upload na yun sa kanilang application. Okay. And then after which is pag natapos ng selfie mode is mapupunta tayo sa withdrawal method naman. So withdrawal method, meron silang e-wallet like GCash, PayMaya, Grab Wallet, and meron din yung online bank. Okay, so kung ano yung mga bangko natin, ATM cards, ganyan. And then cash pick up like sa M. Luwilier or RD Pawn Shop. Okay? And then, of course, pinili ko na lang is GCash kasi GCash talaga po ako nag-withdraw or kumukuha ng mga loans. Okay, so dito, confirm loan. So basically, nung makita ko po guys yung application na to or yung ito na diyan sa screenshot na yan, is may pagkaparehas po sila kay Mocha, ganyan. So may pagkaparehas po sila na meron silang loan. Ang pagkakaiba lang guys is yung parang image, yung 1,590 and 2,380, ganyan. So, yun lang po ang pagkakaiba. But basically, yung talagang surface niya is parehas sa Mocha, ganyan. So, sabi dito, first, pwede po tayo makapag-loan ng 1,590 or 2,380. So, yun lang po ang pwede nating ma-avail na loan amount. And pag magbayad po tayo is ma-approve yung 5,000. Alright? So, sabi dito, you will repay 2 schedules. So, first schedule is 2,310 sa February 14. So, that will be 7 days. 7 days, okay? And then, ang second schedule repayment is August 6. So, hindi ko lang alam kung ano tong August 6 na to. Kasi, syempre, pag magbabayad tayo, lahat-lahat na yun nababayaran, di ba? And then, yan. Okay, so scroll natin pataas. So makikita natin dito yung detail of fees. Okay, so dyan natin makikita. So interest is 0. Yan, 0%. Account management fee is 324. And then platform fee, yung platform is 324. And then credit evaluation is 162. So, yun guys, ang kanilang deduction. And 0% interest daw. Alright? So, let's find out. But, before ako nag-submit, ayan, before ako magsasubmit ng loan na to guys, is pumunta ako sa applications sa Google Play Store and then tinignan ko yung ratings and reviews nila. So, sa ratings is mas malaki yung 5-star. Okay? But then, sa mga reviews is, ang dami pong negative na reviews. Like, I never thought that I would experience the same fast services application to offer. At it was at first, I was struggling and dealing with the error message that. So, yun guys. And second one, for for amount of 1,500, you have to pay 810 pesos as their fee. So, total of 2,310 pay in 7 days. So, yun guys, ang sinasabi ko kanina. 7 days po ang 7 days ang limit. Okay? They did not disclose the fees for the amount loan. Yan. Very inconvenient, only 1 day, sabi. Only 1 day got past the due date. Their agent already called and sent message to, yun na guys, isa pa dun guys, na magte-text and call blast po sila. Already informed them before the loan I was approved to cancel it because I just accidentally click the submit button which I thought there will be other option. Yun nga guys, minsan, ako din kaya nga, hindi ko na sinubmit kasi nga parehas po sila mukha-mukha na once na tap mo yung submit, akala mo may mga option pa na babasahin mo, mag-upload ka ng IDs or whatever. Kasi pansin nyo guys, wala pong uploading of IDs. Pero once na magsasubmit ka pala is automatic na mapupunta sa GCash yung money, ganun. So yun guys, ang problema naman nito. So negative. Yan, so ang dami pong negative na comments. So yun guys, hindi po ako nag-push through sa loan na yan kay Spesa Buffet kasi nga, first thing first ay, nung nakita ko yung parang dashboard bang tawag doon sa pag nakikita mo na yung loan amount, is parehas na parehas po sila kay Mocha and very, ayoko yung application na yon. Meron pa ako isang natuklasan guys na si Mocha and si Spesa Buffet is parehas po talaga pala sila ng company. Okay? And parehas po sila ng SEC registration, certificate of authority, and even the address po ay parehas po sila. So, parehas po yung the way yung processing and of course yung mga agents din. So, yun guys, hindi ko po sila dinownload or hindi ko po sila ginamit. Yan guys. So, and then hindi po sila masyadong nag-ask ng information. Wala pa silang, hindi pa sila nag-ask ng ID. So, nakita niyo naman sa, pinakita ko si screenshot na wala silang halos na require na mga information. Pero, hindi ko na po siya tinuloy kasi baka problema lang ang idudulot niya sa akin. So, yun na nga po ang ating review kay Spesa Buffet. So, for me ay hindi po ako nag-push through sa loan na to. But then, pag gusto niyo po guys na i-try, nasa inyo po guys. So, hindi ko po kayo na-encourage or hindi ko po kayo na-encourage kasi hindi naman po ako connected sa company na ito. So, thank you for watching guys. Thank you for staying. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!